launching a sharp attack on the central government. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has said that under the reign of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, British Raj-like conditions, quote-unquote, are prevailing in the country, with the government policies only benefiting billionaires. She alleged that efforts are being made to change the constitution, which provides a system like reservation that has changed the lives of crores of people. She said that international reports show that today the condition of inequality in India is worse than British rule. My colleague Mehendi Garg with us on the broadcast. Mehendi, if you can take our viewers through these comments that have been made by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra against the BJP.
Well, yes, Devika, from the hot seat of Uttar Pradesh as in Rai Bareli, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has taken a jibe at the BJP party and also Prime Minister Narendra Modi, calling that under PM's governance, under Modi's governance, British Raj-like conditions are coming back in India. And these are worse than the conditions when India was literally under British Raj. So huge allegations and accusations have been put up by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on Prime Minister Narendra Modi regarding the efforts to change the constitution or benefiting the beneficiaries. She specifically mentioned that all the good things or all the things that Modi government is doing is under the guidance or under the thought of providing benefits to the beneficiaries or the high standard people. They are not thinking about the poor or the low standard people living in India. So these huge allegations have been made, and also in her statement and while addressing the rally, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has specifically said the Prime Minister Narendra Modi as low standard. She said that a PM like Narendra Modi governing this country is very sad, as the Prime Minister is very low standard. So these are the words of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra that she has said in the Rai Bareli while addressing the public rally there. And also she said other things also, because right now the war of words is being heated up between the Congress party and the BJP because of the Lok Sabha elections. And in the next phase, the votes will be casted for the Rai Bareli seat. So it's a very important seat for the Congress party, and it has been considered as the hot seat, as Rahul Gandhi will be contesting from that seat. So major developments has been happening on that seat and politically also. Over to you, Devika.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.